Hello everyone and welcome to Thuong Nguyen Woodworking Machinery. Today with us we have a chassis sander machine. Let's have a look at it. Okay, now we will go over the part of the machine. First we will have the control panel. Then we will have the workpiece holder. And we have the sander frames. And up here we have the templates. Let's have a look at each of them. This is the sanding frame. This sanding frame has two parts. The top part consists of many rollers. These are the shape copying rollers. They basically run through the shape of our template, and in turn will make these sanding pressing frame to push the sand belt into the shape that we want according to the template up here. So if we want to do different type of seat with different type of shape on the surface, we will need different templates for that. This is the control panel. On the control panel we can turn on and off the machine, emergency stop button in case there's anything wrong or there's any danger to the operator. We can just press this and the machine will automatically shut down. And then we have the motor on, motor off, pump on, pump off, and then the carriage advance. This will push the working table inward, and carriage restract. They will restract the table outward again. Okay. On the right side we have this mode controller. This is used to set which type of program this machine will be doing. This machine has four modes, four programs. The first one being flat and tilt. This is when the table is tilted and the sander belt is flat. Next we have the second one, the tilt on template. This means that the table will be tilted and the sander belt will be running according with this frame, this template. Okay, and the third and fourth. The third one is flat, which means the table will be flat, and off template means that these will run in between the template in this hollow part. So it is off the template. And vice versa. The fourth mode, flat on template, means the table is flat and the roller will be running on the template. Okay, and after we have set the program using this, we can press start to start the operation. Okay, let's take a look at how this machine functions in real time. And that is all for our chair assist sander machine. If you have any questions or are looking for any type of woodworking machinery, please contact us and we will give you more information for free. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.